Welcome to the outdoor kitchen. Today we are going to grill us some salmon. That might not be that interesting. I mean, this really isn't that hard. You put it on the grill, you wait. I'll show you all how that turns out. Mostly so you can keep an eye on me, make sure I don't set my grill on fire. That might have happened once. But really, today we are going to make a great side dish. This is a cucumber tomato salad. Let me get this camera set up. So today we're making a cucumber tomato salad. This is an awesome accompaniment to barbecue, really a lot of different dishes. And there's really not a ton to it. We've got one tomato, dice this up. Everything into this bowl here. Cucumber, washed well. You can peel this if you like. This goes into chunks. Key thing is here, everything should be about the same size. And the green onion. Again, probably want everything more or less the same size so that it mixes up well in the bowl. Alright, we've got everything chopped up. It looks pretty good already, but we need a sauce. A couple things going on here. Sprinkling of red pepper flakes, sea salt, and a mixture of 2 parts rice vinegar or white wine vinegar. They're both good, they just taste different. 1 part olive oil, and a couple drops of sesame oil. So kind of give this a swirl, pour this over, and mix this all up. You might want to do this with like a bigger bowl. Alright, here we go, let's try this. I want 1 piece of tomato, 1 piece of cucumber, and a green onion. What do you think? I think this looks pretty good. It is good. I need a little bit more oil in there, I think. Well, this is okay for now. Let's go see how that salmon is doing. Good news, everybody. We did not burn the salmon. Nothing caught on fire. So it's a good day. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you try making this amazing, delicious dish. This is a great side, and it doesn't have to be just a vegetable salad. If you were to take this and mix this up with some macaroni, maybe like the spiral kind, this will make a killer pasta salad as well. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments if you made this, if you liked it. Let me know what else you might like to see. And then join me next time when Busy Dad is cooking.